Hey, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another recap. This one is very interesting. I took one trade today, one break even, and the rest of the day was pretty choppy, pretty shit. All right, but let's get into it. All right. So I ended up taking a short today, really early into market open, which I did love because I don't like to take shorts close to 10 a.m. High impact news like at all. So this one was kind of just more discretionary. I know I've talked about not trading before 10 a.m. news, but this one was literally like so close into market open. I took it and I kept, in my like I basically kept tracking in my mind like, yo, 10 a.m. news. I'm gonna manage my profits, manage my stop loss, manage my risk very well, right? And I happened to do that pretty well today. Went break even, got hit break even. I don't even know if my full TP ended up getting hit, but let's just get into it. All right, so big rundown, like 100, 200 points drop overnight. Just one big fucking Drake candle, 8:15, a news candle right here, but we kind of dropped way freaking past that. We have sell side liquidity right here. It was an hourly intermediate low. Love to see it, love to see it. Amazing target. All right, we traded inside this 15 minute. Love to see it. All right, so this is basically open. I'm about to show you open. Hold on, let me skip further. Okay, we open and we start trading higher. All right, so just watch this. Kind of still consolidation. I really like how we have LRL um right here. Really like this low resistance liquidity run, targeting sell side. That definitely helped my stronger DOL, stronger bias. So, anyways, yeah, we ended up tapping this entire 15-minute bearish gap right here, and I was looking to deliver from internal to external liquidity, and that's basically the overall like trade idea. We ended up getting an inverse fair value gap um, in this trading leg, like somewhere in this trading leg, and it just happened to be that end of 1 minute candle. All right, so we did end up entering around here, literally entered this candle, and yeah, basically took the short, 30-second inverse, traded a little bit higher, break evens, right? Obviously I had a lot of confidence in this, but yeah, we just ended up getting hit break even that candle. Then we kind of delivered, just chop. This is even strong delivery, just shit. So happy I managed my risk properly and went break even. But yeah, anyways, we end up going higher. I wait for 10 a.m. news to come out. 10 a.m. news comes out right here. I mark out those lows. Still want to take shorts. I did not like this much displacement past this intermediate 15-minute high. It was a 15-minute high inside this gap right here, intermediate 15-minute. Love to see it. On top of that, it is 10, so new trading manipulation at 10, right? Open, high, low, close, kind of what we're looking to see. I don't really get that. We just look like complete buns, right? Just should be a little bit lower, and then from here, I think I noticed a couple people trying to take longs right here. I'm gonna go over it. I need to open this. All right. So wait, no, I can just do this. My bad. All right. So longs. Where can people potentially take longs? I'm gonna just turn off these indicators right here. All right. I seriously don't know where someone could have possibly taken a long. But we're gonna go over that. Wait, I don't even think I'm in replay mode. Alright. I don't know why I didn't replay on this one, but I'm gonna guess these lows right here. Hold on, let me just look at this. But anyways, I believe someone was looking for some sort of longs. I think it was PB Blake, but I honestly don't know why he would be looking for longs. Might have to watch his recap, to be honest. But yeah, yeah, he was definitely taking off some sort of intermediate low. He didn't end up taking longs, but I know he was kind of itching at it. But yeah, anyways, went higher, took out this buy side level, came back lower, not really displacing shit. Did end up creating a lower time frame gap inside a current trading leg. It just displacement higher, extremely choppy stuff. All right, we end up coming down here and inversing this, but reason why I didn't take this is because the fucking choppiness. Let's look at this. Tap the candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We close. I don't even think it's a close. 7. All right, 6 fucking 7. 7 candles to inverse the fucking 1 minute gap. That is horrific. The fact that price is respecting that 1 minute gap so much and not respecting higher time frame draw, it just shows like this just gonna be buns. I'm not taking this. I basically just put my stop. I basically just entered right here for funsies. I didn't actually enter, but I just placed like my tool or whatever. I was probably gonna target these relatively equal lows right above these data highs. Like honestly amazing draw. But yeah, break even would have definitely been here. Break even would have been hit, and I'm not sure whether TP would have been hit or not, but I guess not. I guess not. Would have been a break even. Regardless, shitty trade. I would not take that. The closure, you guys gotta really pay attention to the closure. The closure should be within 1 to 4 candles to close. And you just gotta look at the displacement, right? Like we're not displacing through this candle. Even this inversion right here, we displaced it, we inversed, but we had mostly wick. Like we should not be wicking back up like this. I don't know why we're wicking back up like this, but we did. Alright, I definitely do not like to see that. If I want to see a close, I definitely want to see mostly body. This is like half and half, and the closure was shit. But other than that, yeah, that's basically the trade, the whole trade idea I had for the day. Took this one break even. Yeah, but low key now thinking about it, it's starting to prove to me a little bit more live. In terms of taking trades before news, this just looked horrid. It just looked horrid. I really wanted to go into more like backtesting sessions, like looking at taking trades before news, like really early on. If I do get that set up, I have been overall winning those backtesting sessions, but yeah, I guess this just didn't play out very well. I'm gonna have to definitely backtest it a lot more. Probably should have never tested it on the markets. I did have some sort of thought process when taking it, but yeah, overall horror day. To be honest, was expecting a really good day. Maybe December price action starting to kick in, but these were just pretty good draws. LRL, clear sell side, intermediate 1 hour manipulation, so clear. Crazy displacement lower. We just had relatively equal lows, data lows, just so much shit. But I guess market just did not know where it wanted to go today, so could be skill issue. But yeah, that's basically the trade recap for today, December 3rd. It is a Wednesday, and yeah, that's the trade recap. Have a good one.